Hello, today we will guide you through how to open an account in XM Broker. In this walkthrough, we'll show you the basic process of opening an account in XM based on the on-screen options shown in the platform. To begin, go to the XM member area in your browser. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct screen before moving forward. When you're inside the member area, look for the plus sign and click on it. This option is typically used to add or create something new, so this is where the account setup process begins. After selecting the plus sign, you'll be presented with account type choices. From there, click on Demo. This is the option shown in the process here, and it's commonly used if you want to practice trading or explore the platform without using real funds. Choosing a demo account is a good way to get familiar with the system, especially if you're new to the broker interface. After selecting Demo, click Continue. This takes you to the next stage of the setup. You may notice that the process includes several confirmation screens or setup pages. That's completely normal, so just continue following the prompts carefully as they appear. On the next screen, click Continue again. At this point, the platform may be guiding you through account preferences or basic setup details. It's a good idea to read each page before moving on, even if the action is simply pressing the Continue button. Once that page is complete, click Continue again. The wording may appear in lowercase or uppercase depending on the page, but the action is the same. Keep moving through the setup in order and avoid skipping any information displayed on screen. Next, click Continue once more. By now, you are progressing through the final part of the guided account creation flow. Many platforms use multiple short pages to confirm settings step by step, so don't worry if it feels repetitive. After that, click Continue again. This should bring you to the next part of the process where the remaining setup is handled directly on screen. Finally, follow your on-screen procedure. At this stage, XM will guide you through whatever final details are required to complete the account opening process. Just read each instruction carefully and enter your information only where prompted. Make sure everything is accurate before submitting anything, since account details usually need to match your intended profile and preferences. And that's it. You've now seen the full flow for opening an account in XM using the options shown on screen.